Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I want to share with you a gentle, natural way to ease coughing and chest congestion using Jin Shin Jyutsu. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. And if you know someone who's been dealing with a cough, tightness in the chest, or difficulty breathing, please share this video with them. It might be just what they need right now. Imagine a wide open landscape, fresh air, space, and ease. When we're coughing or feeling congested in the chest, it's not just uncomfortable, it can feel exhausting and restrictive. Breathing becomes shallow, the chest feels tight, and the body struggles to let go. In Jin Shin Jyutsu, we work gently with the body's energy pathways to support the breath and restore flow, without force, without strain. One of the simplest ways to begin is by supporting the lungs directly. You can do this seated or lying down. Give it a try. Place the left hand on your left last rib on the front, and this is where we find the energy site or safety energy lock number 14. And place the right hand just under the left collarbone at safety energy lock 22. No pressure is needed, just place the hands, let them relax and hold. So, left hand on left last rib and right hand just under the left collarbone. As you rest your hands there, imagine the chest slowly softening, the breath beginning to move more freely, like fog lifting from a valley. Stay here for a few minutes, then switch sides. This simple hold supports lung energy and can help ease both coughing and chest congestion. Another very effective self-help hold for coughing is to gently hold your upper arms. All you need to do is cross your arms and place the left hand on the right upper arm and the right hand on the left upper arm. In Jin Shin Jyutsu, we use the upper arms, which we call the high 19s, to ease coughing, especially when it feels persistent and irritating. Holding the upper arms also clears congestion in the chest. It's a great self-help hold to clear the upper back and the waistline as well. It's really amazing that something so simple can do so much. So as you hold your upper arms, allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to soften, and your breath to slow. Often the cough reflex begins to quiet all on its own. Breath is central to everything in Jin Shin Jyutsu, and by placing the hands on specific areas of the body, we can help balance the breath, the exhale to let go, and the inhale to receive pure energy. In fact, you can practice another very simple exercise to balance the breath. Just place the left hand over your left shoulder at safety energy lock 11 and place the right hand just under your left collarbone at safety energy lock 22. This helps the body release what it no longer needs and receive fresh, nourishing breath in return. Imagine breathing like waves on a shoreline, effortless, rhythmic, and natural. There's also another beautifully simple practice you can do anytime, anywhere, and that is to hold your ring fingers. Gently wrap one hand around the ring finger of the other hand. Breathe. Breathe again. Continue breathing. And then after a little while, you can switch sides. In Jin Shin Jyutsu, the ring fingers are closely connected to lung energy and the emotional layers that can affect our breathing. This hold can support deeper, calmer breaths, especially during times of stress, grief, or illness. What I love most about Jin Shin Jyutsu is that it reminds us we already have everything we need: our hands, our breath, and our awareness. These simple holds don't force healing. They create space for the body to do what it already knows how to do. If you'd like to practice Jin Shin Jyutsu on a regular basis, I offer weekly group practice sessions where we gather from all over the world. They're online, deeply supportive, surprisingly powerful, and a lot of fun. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find a link below this video, or you can scan the QR code you see on the screen. And if you're new to Jin Shin Jyutsu and you want to find out more about the safety energy locks, please visit the link in the description. Thank you for being here, and may your breath feel a little easier today.